Are you concerned about roof damage in Hickory, North Carolina? Here are the common signs to look out for to ensure timely repairs and maintenance. First, inspect your roof for missing, cracked, or curled shingles, as these can lead to leaks and further damage. Water stains on your ceiling or walls indicate a leak that needs prompt attention. A sagging roof can signal structural damage and requires immediate repair. Check your gutters for granules from your shingles, which indicate deterioration. Moss and algae growth suggest moisture retention, potentially damaging your roofing materials. Inspect the flashing around chimneys, vents, and skylights for any damage or missing sections. Peeling paint or wallpaper inside your home can also indicate water damage from a leaking roof. Lastly, an unexplained increase in energy bills may mean your roof is not providing adequate insulation. The Certainteed Integrity Roof System offers a comprehensive solution to protect your home from roof damage. It uses high-quality materials designed to withstand severe weather conditions and provide long-lasting protection. The system includes various components that enhance the overall performance of your roof. Certainteed roofing materials are highly durable and resistant to wind, rain, and other harsh weather conditions. Additionally, the Integrity Roof System includes energy-efficient materials that help reduce your home's energy consumption. Recognizing the common signs of roof damage is crucial for maintaining the integrity and safety of your home. If you have any issues with your roof or it's getting older, reach out to RoofWorks to book a free roof inspection today.